I, Kehkashan Parveen, daughter of Qari Farooq Azam, studying in class 5. I am standing in front of you to speak some words about the lesson of Islam, that is brotherhood. The good human being is who possesses good habits like, as it is already maintained, we should maintain some good habits like. A Muslim is brother of a Muslim in Hadith. Getting up early in the morning, clean lines of body, respecting our youngs, loving young ones, speaking truth. Our respected, our mother most important. By possessing good qualities and acting according to them, we can sustain easy habits, that is brotherhood.